How to add subscription pop-up in Wix Studio. So in order to add those, just click onto this plus icon right here, which is our add elements. From in there, you can see all of these things right here, but what we're looking for is called Lightbox. Click onto this search and search in here for Lightbox. From in there, you should be able to see in here some Lightbox options. It's also under the layout tools and you can see in here the Lightbox. So for this case, you can click onto this particular design that you would want. I have in here this subscribe design. Just head over and then drag it into the page that you desire to actually add this particular Lightbox into. You can also just click on it in order to add it into the page right there. So as you can see, it's now been added. You can edit it according to your liking. Click onto this right here and then edit this turn on notifications. You can edit this particular button in order to change into subscribe. So for example, let's put in here subscribe and then choose in here the link that can actually allow them to subscribe to our actual setting. So from in there, you can head over and then just choose in here this edit and then save it to your liking while publishing it. So that's how you add subscription pop-up in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.